So in this recipe, you will be making a basic tomato makhani. This you can make and keep it at home and use it whenever you want it. You can keep it in the fridge. At least it's good to keep it for a week. So this recipe I'm using 3 tins of tomato. Each tin is 400 grams. So total 1.2 kilo of tomato. And I'm adding one onion sliced, garlic around 5 to 6 cloves that's crushed. With the skin we can add ginger around 30 grams. So I added, you can add whole cardamom if you have. I put half a teaspoon of ground cardamom. Then cloves around quarter of a teaspoon, whole cloves. You can add bay leaf if you have it. Bay leaf, add 2 to 3 leaves. Peppercorn I added around quarter of a teaspoon. Now adding hot water. Hot water 1 liter. Now what I'm going to do is allow it to boil, and then we will simmer it for at least an hour on a slow flame so it cooks nicely. So now the tomato is cooked. We can just cool it down to a lukewarm temperature and then grind it to a smooth, very smooth paste. So now the makhani, the first base is pureed nicely, very fine paste. Give it a boil again. So now I'm going to finish it with chili powder. So chili powder 1 teaspoon. Butter I'm adding 250 gram, whole block. Then sugar I'm adding 6 teaspoon. I'm adding brown sugar. If you want to use the normal one, it's fine. Then salt. Salt should be around 3 to 4 grams. Now allowed to boil. So once I tasted, I added more sugar. So the traditional makhani has slight touch of sweetness and well balanced with salt. So I added 6 more teaspoon of sugar. Now adding cream. This stage I'm adding 150 gram of cream. Double cream you can add. Nice thick cream. Mix it. Allow it to cook for at least half an hour like this.